In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Checkout Upsell plugin for WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the plugin inside your WordPress dashboard, how to install and activate it, and how to customize its key settings so your offers look great and work smoothly at checkout. First, open your WooCommerce website's WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your store. On the left-hand menu, click Plugins, then choose Add New. This takes you to the plugin library where you can search for tools to extend your store's features. In the search bar on the top right, type Checkout Upsell. You'll likely see several results with similar names. Look for a plugin that specifically mentions WooCommerce Checkout Upsells in its description, and check details like active installations and recent updates to make sure it's reliable and compatible with your version of WooCommerce. When you've found a suitable option, click Install Now. Once the installation finishes, the button will change. Go ahead and click Activate so the plugin becomes available in your admin. After activation, you'll see the plugin appear in your left-hand menu, either as its own item or inside the WooCommerce submenu. Click it to open the settings page. This is where you can set up the plugin and customize how checkout upsells appear to your customers. Take a moment to review the general options. Many checkout upsell plugins let you control when upsells show, such as on the checkout page, the order confirmation page, or both. You can often define conditions, like showing an accessory when a related product is in the cart or offering a discount on a complementary item. Use clear, concise offer titles and descriptions so customers instantly understand the value. Next, look for display and design settings. Choose the placement that feels natural within your checkout flow and adjust styles like images, colors, and button text to match your brand. Keep it clean and unobtrusive. Upsells should enhance the experience without distracting from completing the order. Check behavior settings such as whether the offer can be added with one click, if quantities are allowed, and how pricing or discounts are shown. Enable mobile-friendly layouts so the upsell looks good on phones and tablets. When you're happy with your choices, save your settings. Finally, preview your checkout as a customer to confirm everything looks right. If you use caching or a performance plugin, clear your cache so changes appear immediately. That's it. Your checkout upsell is installed, activated, and customized for your WooCommerce store.